Sassy, moody, nasty, yeah. Acting stupid, what's happening? What's happening? I'm a savage.
I'm back with another hair tutorial. So this is a look anyone can rock. I mean, if you're going for Ote, it got you covered. If you're going for aesthetic, if you're going for cool, if you're going for classy, if you're going for 90s, I mean, name it. Anyways, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please give this video a thumbs up, recommend it to your friends, and make sure you try it out. Feel free to leave a comment below and tell me what hair tutorial you want me to put up next. And you can also send me videos if you do this, and let me see what it looks like. So first of all, we're doing the usuals. I'm applying the Eco Styler gel to my hair. I just relaxed my hair, but for some odd reasons I'm having undergrowth, so I have to comb through it to make sure the gel gets to my roots. And then I'm going to go ahead and brush it and then position it to make sure that's where I want the bun to be. Like that's where I want that's where I want the bun to be. So that's it. All I'm doing here is repeating the same steps I did to the first bun. Apply your gel, comb it if you have to, position it, brush it. I'm also going to apply an edge control to give my hair more sleek and more shine, just to brighten up everything. And if you notice, I packed my hair like in a tiny bun because you might need to relose it, and I have a tender scalp, so I just want to be on the safe side. Yeah, I have to talk really fast because of the video and it's crazy. I went ahead and scarfed my hair overnight, so this is the next day, and as you can see, I've started the whole process already, but I'm going to be showing you guys a detailed version of how I achieved this first look. So just sit back and relax, okay? So guys, basically all I'm doing is using a rubber band to tie a part of the kinky to the bun I have underneath, just so it secures it and the bun doesn't move, when I'm trying to arrange the other parts. Guys, the struggle is real because these ribbons are really tight, so I have to double it, and it makes it difficult for the kinky to pass. But we're hustlers, so we gotta do this. Oh fuck. I would advise to get a more flexible ribbon because this shit is frustrating. I can't even lie. Yeah, I got it. So basically you just drag the hair.
A few moments later.
I found with my hair, guys. You guys are going to have to cut me some freaking slack. I'm trying to slack this ribbon. This is so stressful, guys. Life hack. So if you're like me and you end up getting tight ribbons, all you want to do is, just go ahead. Oh, I got hands in my mouth. But basically, all you have to do is just straighten this whole shit and just pack the bottom. Let's see if we've hacked this shit or not. My ribbon. Pretty blue, yeah, blue's next color. Pretty where I want it to be. And just drag through. How didn't I think of this? A lot easier now. Yes. Who gonna check me? Who gonna motherfucking check me, bitches? Who gonna check me? Who gonna check me?
Who gonna check me? Who gonna check me? Exactly.
It's blended. It's blended. Yeah. And we're gonna work our magic again. have hair in my mouth. Sorry. This was a lot easier. I think. Come on, don't disgrace me now. Do not disgrace me. Do not disgrace me. Do not disgrace me. Yes, girls, don't worry. I'm going to show you guys the struggle, because you know that situation where you watch a YouTube video and what you watch is not what you're getting. Like, what you watch is not the results you're getting. So I'm going to show you guys like the struggles and everything, because these YouTubers just make it look easy. Oh, just put the rubber band, wrap your hair, do like this, and there you go, you have your bubble. Girl, it's hard. I'm struggling. I've never talked this much for a hair tutorial. I'm just going to go ahead and cut this shape. You guys don't want to see. Let me explain. I have an explanation. My mom's sleeping. There's no scissors in the house basically, and I can't find my razor, so I use the kitchen knife. But basically, my mom's going to watch this video, and she's going to use her knife cutting my hair for the general public to see. Mommy, I'm sorry.
No pressure, I only do rage, no Tesla. Balmain, drippin' umbrella. I'm tryna love you like a gangster.